Our skin, it's the largest organ of the body and one of the biggest sources of questions from our viewers at home. So we're gonna tackle your queries in a fun segment we call the Wheel of Health. Has 10 common skin-related questions. I'm gonna offer nothing to this segment except hosting and spinning. So let's spin. Best way to prevent chapped lips.
So, do you guys want me to take this? Should I start?
I'd say ladies first, just
That's
because.
so easy
Yeah,
for you.
I know. I got a softball to start off. It's a really common question, especially as we get into winter and everybody starts getting dehydrated and your lips start to peel. So if you're looking for something natural, olive oil is a great emollient, natural oil to use a couple times a day. But the main thing is just to avoid a lot of the lip balms with scents, with dyes, with colors, because those additives can be really irritating. And sort of an insider tip is to use something with a little bit of an exfoliant. Some of the best chapped lip remedies have a little bit of salicylic acid or beta hydroxy acid, which is going to slough that dry, dead skin. But do remember to protect your skin in any element. So if you're out somewhere where it's snowing, but also in the summer as well.
How messed up is it that lip balm can make it worse in some cases?
Well,
You use the wrong kind.
You use the wrong kind, and it has a lot of dyes or a lot of.
And if you're one of those people that likes licking your lips, that just adds to it, makes it worse, makes that sensitive skin on your lips dry out quicker. If you know you're going to be in the elements, that's how you prevent, is think ahead before you go out if it's blowing.
All right, I'm ready to spin the wheel.
Prevention.
I'm ready to spin the wheel.
You really beat the heck out of
We
Jeff.
sure did. Can I use regular body lotion for my face too?
Okay, so for regular body lotion, it has a higher content of emollient, so it's a little bit thicker, and it can cause breakouts if you use it on your face. It has extra scents often to make body parts smell a little bit better, but then when you put it on your face, it usually is too strong, so that's not something I would advise. There's a reason why companies, outside of marketing, use face lotion and body lotion. Stick to the body part that you're gonna use.
These days we have a lotion for every part of the body, where to be the lower eyelids, the upper eyelids, the brows, the neck, the breasts, you name it, we have it. And everybody's skin is a little bit different. Try it. See what works best for you on certain body parts. And I agree with everything you said. So just try it and see what works well for you.
Anything you use on your face, especially if you're acne or breakout prone, you should check somewhere on the label that it says it's been formulated not to clog your pores, which means it's non-comedogenic or non-acnegenic. That's something you'll see on the label there. And if you do happen to have a lotion, like there are a few on the market that are meant for your body that are scent-free and dye-free, and they say they don't clog your pores, probably just fine to use on your face as well.
Last spin, crew. What to do about large visible pores on nose?
Okay,
Ooh,
walk around like this. No, pores, they're meant to be on your nose. And some people have larger pores than others, depending if you have oilier skin or not. Men have a tendency to have larger pores than women for whatever reason. We have no way to totally eliminate pores, nor would you want to do that. But there's certain things you want to keep your pores clean as much as possible. Do everything you can to avoid clogging them. Good skin regimen with exfoliating, cleansing. Don't want to put too much moisture probably on your nose. And we know astringents temporarily shrink those pores, will make them look better. And then there are certain light treatments, lasers that may temporarily help them.
Yeah, so just remember your pores are meant to be there because of the outflow tracts of those follicles. That's where your body produces the normal oil that's meant to seal your face. But definitely some areas, especially the nose, have a higher concentration and they tend to get more blocked. So you see the blackheads and those clogged pores more. Couldn't agree more with your point about exfoliation.
Is it good to, and I know you can do this with facials and there's at-home products, but getting all those blackheads out of the pores, is there any benefit to that?
Well, there is insofar as it's just sebum that's sitting there and blocking the outflow tract, and the blackhead is just because it's become oxidized
the more it's
by
blocked,
oxygen.
then you can get one of those.
When you get breakouts.
You get an undergrounder, baby, and you don't want one of those.
But in addition to, so the types of exfoliants you should be looking for, alpha hydroxy acids, retinoids, those are going to help you slough and keep those pores nice and clean.
There are more questions on this. We'll do this again sometime. Good job, docs.